Hey y'all, this is Jessica at Casa Magnolia, and today is January 4th. And you know what that means, right? Oh, you don't? Well, neither did I. But apparently it's National Spaghetti Day. And here's the deal, I really don't like spaghetti. I've never liked cooked tomato sauce, but my husband loves it. And I only make it a couple times a year for him, so I figured why not today? It's the perfect occasion. I'm actually going to be sharing with you today my spinach garlic bread recipe that I got from a Rachael Ray 30-minute meals many years ago, but it is so good. It's a great way to sneak in extra veggies, and I'm going to show you right now. Let's get started. So here's everything you're going to need: a French loaf or Italian loaf of bread, nice and crusty, baby spinach, about 4 cups of baby spinach, Parmesan cheese, a stick of butter, and about 4 cloves of garlic. I'm going to leave all of the exact measurements down below with Rachael Ray's original recipe. You're going to put everything except the bread, obviously, in the food processor and mix that up. That's why it's super important that your butter is at room temp, or you're going to be in a world of hurt. Trust me, I've made that mistake. It's going to look really mealy, so I just want you to see what it's going to look like. Cut your bread in half and spread half of the mixture on each half of the bread. And you're just going to bake it at 400 degrees for about 6 or 7 minutes, or you can just put it under the broiler until the bread's kind of toasted up and it's warm and gooey. I love this recipe, you guys. I've served it to everyone in my family. Kids even love it. It's a great way to have the spinach if you don't like spinach. And it's super zingy with all of the fresh garlic in there. So it's definitely not like a Valentine's Day recipe or anything, because it has got a lot of garlic in it, but it's so good. If you guys try it, leave me a comment down below. If you like to make spaghetti for National Spaghetti Day, leave me a comment down below too. And I hope you like this video. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye, y'all.